Dear friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Are you looking to bring spirituality into your life but don't know where to begin? Spirituality is deeply personal and unique for each individual. It's a journey that connects us with a sense of purpose, inner peace, and understanding of ourselves and the world. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can welcome spirituality into your daily life, with both practical steps and heart-centered practices to help you grow. 1. Start with self-reflection. Spirituality begins with self-reflection. Take some time to understand your beliefs, values, and what spirituality means to you. Ask yourself questions like, what am I seeking? Or, what makes me feel truly alive? Journaling is a great tool here. Spend a few minutes each day writing down your thoughts and emotions. Over time, you'll notice patterns and discover what resonates with your spiritual self. 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation help you connect with the present moment and listen to your inner voice. Start with just a few minutes each day, focusing on your breath or a mantra that speaks to you, like, I am at peace, or, I am connected. Meditation helps clear mental clutter, allowing spiritual insights to flow more freely. Apps like Headspace or Insight Timer can be helpful for beginners. 3. Connect with nature. Nature has a way of grounding us and reminding us of our connection to something greater than ourselves. Spend time outside, go for a walk, hike, or simply sit in a park. Take in the sounds, sights, and smells around you. Feel the earth beneath your feet and realize you are a part of a vast, interconnected web of life. This connection to nature is a powerful gateway to a spiritual life. 4. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a profound spiritual practice that shifts your focus from what's lacking to the abundance around you. Each day, list 3 things you're grateful for, whether big or small. Gratitude elevates your vibration, helping you see the sacredness in everyday life and bringing you closer to a state of spiritual awareness. 5. Seek community and learn from others. While spirituality is often an individual journey, community can be incredibly supportive. Look for groups or gatherings that share similar interests, whether it's a meditation class, spiritual book club, or online group. Listening to others' experiences can provide guidance and insights, and shared practices often deepen your own. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.